Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to UX Workshop. Today our topic is on Figma, how to make an account in Figma, how to use Figma. It's a short descriptive video on Figma. So just go to Chrome and type Figma. So here Figma again. Actually, I already have an account on Figma, so that's why it's showing. So this the empty board is, you can call this canvas, and you can also change color of your page depending upon your need. So I will choose the gray, and this is the menu button. You can choose so many as I have told you before. So this is the frame tool. You can also press F to get frames, or you can also choose button system. Up to you. So if you are designing a mobile application, it is important to choose the latest screen. And if you are selecting a desktop, designing a desktop screen, so it is important to select the standard size of screen, which is 1440 and 1020. So if you are designing a mobile application, so let's get started with the latest screen, which is iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. You can also zoom in and zoom out screen through using our addition and subtractions button. They are so good and it is so easy to use. So let's get started with adding new shapes into our design. Let's get started with adding a rectangle here. So I'm adding a rectangle. So I'm zooming in screen so you can easily see. This is the dot, which is the radius. You can also change the radius of your shapes and design. And if you double click on this, you can also change the size of your rectangle or your design. You can also color your design by clicking on it and changing the color. You can also give it linear color, radial. You can also give it angular, diamond. So in our designs we commonly use linear and sometimes we use radial. So linear color is most choosing tool, you can say. So I'm changing the color of my design, so you can click here simply and change the color. And from there you can also change the intensity of your design. So in the last color I will choose the red, so give to a good vibe. So this is the first shape I have created, and place your image inside here. So I'm just selecting this image and putting it in rectangle, so it is good. And you crop your image, or you can also crop your image easily. And also you can select what you are going to just show in your design. So if you are a beginner, it is good for you to learn about these tools and how to design your file. It's just introduction to how to use our tools. Next, we will get started with our mobile application with new great ideas, new learning. So